Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make pizza from sourdough starter. First, ensure your sourdough starter is active and bubbly, ideally fed about 4 to 12 hours before you plan to mix your dough. This ensures it has enough strength to leaven your pizza. Gather your flour, water, and salt, measuring them precisely for the best results. A strong, active starter is the foundation for a delicious crust. Next, combine your active sourdough starter, water, flour, and salt in a mixing bowl. Mix until a shaggy dough forms, then let it rest for about 30 minutes. Over the next 2 hours, perform several sets of stretch and folds every 30 minutes to build gluten. Then, allow the dough to bulk ferment at room temperature for several hours until it has visibly increased in volume. Once your dough has completed its bulk fermentation, gently turn it out onto a lightly floured surface. Divide the dough into individual portions, typically yielding 3 to 4 pizzas. Carefully shape each portion into a smooth, taut ball. Now, transfer these dough balls to an oiled container and cold, ferment them in the refrigerator for at least 24 hours or up to 3 days for a more complex flavor. When you are ready to bake, remove a dough ball from the fridge about 1 hour beforehand to bring it to room temperature. Preheat your oven to a high temperature, around 500 degrees Fahrenheit, with a pizza stone or steel for at least 45 minutes. Gently stretch the dough into your desired pizza shape, add your favorite toppings, and bake for about 5 to 15 minutes until the crust is golden and the cheese is bubbly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.